Let us do the activity. In your textbook, one activity is there. Can we separate iron nails from the soil? In the same way, we are conducting one activity. I am taking a small pieces of sticks here, right? All these are small pieces of sticks, right? I pour here. Next, some iron nails I took. So these are iron nails, okay, right? So I am mixing those pieces of sticks and iron nails. Can we separate iron nails from this combination of sticks, pieces and nails? Right. With the help of the magnet. You see, I am taking bar magnet. I am placing the bar magnet here. Then you see once where iron nails, here all they stick to the bar magnet, only the pieces of sticks on the plant. So with the help of magnet we can separate iron nails from the both combination of sticks and nails. Like that we can separate nails, iron nails from the soil also. We did activity in different way. Okay, have you got it? The magnets are available in various shapes. I showed bar magnet, like that horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, circular magnets. See, the magnets are in different shapes. Here, basically, 4 shapes. First one, bar magnet. See that bar magnet, what it consists of, I showed before only. See, this is in the shape of rectangular bar, north and south. Next, length and breadth. Next, it has uniform thickness everywhere along its length. So this end of the bar magnet is called north pole, this end of the bar magnet is called south pole. Come to the second one, horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. Whose shoe? Horseshoe. It is in the shape of U-shaped letter. You see in the diagram. It consists of north and south pole at its ends, right? So everywhere uniform thickness, that is called horseshoe magnet. It is in the shape of horseshoe which were used in olden days. Horses are traveling longer distance. That type of metal sheets are arranged to the feet of the horse. That's why that metal sheet is in the shape of U letter. It is called horseshoe magnet. It called as horseshoe magnet. Third one, ring magnet. What this ring magnet consists of? It is in the shape of ring. Here, inside and outside. One side act like as a north pole and one side act like as a south pole. There are 2 types of ring magnet again. So half of the surface act as a north, half of the surface act as a south, right? Next, fourth one, disc magnets. Disc magnet. it is in the shape of circular shape. You see the diagram. It is disc magnet. Now, what it consists of? It also contains two poles. One side is act as a north pole, another side is act as a south pole. Right? See that poles of the magnet. Every bar magnet has two poles. Here, the end of the magnet at which severe force of attraction or repulsion is exist, that is called pole. I can explain the nature of this pole with one activity. Let us see one more activity to determine the poles of the bar magnet. In this is the plank. All iron fillings are spread over uniformly on the plank. Here, let us consider a bar magnet placed under the plank. You see the arrangement of the iron fillings, how it will be changed. You see that I am placing this bar magnet under the plank. Now, what happens here? You see that now when I place bar magnet under the plank, then the end iron filings are gathered, but middle of the bar magnet iron fillings are maintained at same place. So with this we can conclude, here you see attraction force is more, all they gathered nearby center. Here you see all the iron fillings gathered at this end. Middle iron fillings are not disturbed. So with this help of that activity, we can understand the nature of the poles. See the definition after that activity. The end of the magnet at which severe force of attraction or repulsion exist, means it has. Find direction with magnet. Finding direction with a magnet. How can we find a direction with a magnet? Yes, here that is with the help of magnetic compass needle. The sailors can identify direction, in which direction they travel. Already we discussed in uses. What it consists of? Magnetic compass. Generally it contains one bar magnet, right? Let us see magnetic compass needle. Here, what is magnetic compass needle? A compass is the device which consists of needle. It is made of magnet. That device is called magnetic compass needle. You see the diagram. So, in that a needle is there. It is made of magnet. That needle acts as a magnet. Now it is having north pole and south pole. One end is act as a north, one end is act as a south. When we place the compass needle at particular place, it shows the north and south directions, geometrical north and south direction. One end of the needle shows north, one end of the needle shows south. That is the working of the magnetic compass needle. How that magnet shows north and south? Yes, it is the property of the magnet. It is a directive property of the magnet. Right? We see that is in next activity. One more activity. It is used to find the direction with the help of the magnet. How can the magnet show direction? By using its directive property. Let us consider a suspended bar magnet with the help of thread. How it behaves. This is a bar magnet suspended with the help of thread. It comes to rest after few seconds. It shows north and south directions. Here, this is the property of the bar magnet. You see, where it is showing north pole, this red end it is showing north. This is south. Now it is showing geographic north and south. This is suspended bar magnet. By using this, we can find a direction of the geographical north and south. Thank you.